welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a platform where I can share my knowledge on D365. So today I just want to discuss about fixed assets and fixed asset module. In these fixed assets we are going to create two fixed asset life cycle. So where it's happen for acquisition to disposal or sale. In this process we have so many steps to follow. In the first step we can discuss about depreciation profile. Let's get into the system. This is our dashboard, and coming to modules, fixed assets. Under fixed assets, first step is creation of depreciation profile. So we will come to fixed assets. Under fixed assets, setup. Under setup we can able to see, under setup we can see depreciation profiles. Okay, click on it. Okay, create new one. See, this depreciation profile contains the methods of depreciation. We are going to talk about depreciation method, whether that is a straight line method, straight line service life method, or reducing balance method, or if it is manual. In a particular condition they are going to be used manual condition. In extraordinary conditions they are going to be used this method, or factor wise, consumption wise. According to the requirement we can able to set the method of depreciation. So let's select the I'm going to select here straight line service life method. So I have selected it. Before that I just need to give a name of depreciation profile. That is, I'm going to give a test profile. Okay, test profile of calendar according to the requirement. We are going to be select requirement in the same company is the following calendar year or physical year. According to that we can able to select, because in India all we know that March to April they are going to follow, and calendar year it's Jan to December. So I'm using USMF to post this fixed asset. So I'm going to select this as a calendar, because it's Jan to December only. So I have selected it, and I need to select a period frequency. This depreciation will be calculated yearly or monthly or quarterly or half-yearly. So according to the specification of the customer or a specification of the project, we are going to be select here. So I'm going to select as a monthly wise. So select and save. Yeah, it's saved. Let's check it whether it been saved or not. Test profile I have created. Yeah, it's test profile have been created. So let's Go to the next step. Next, go to our document. So here we need to create books for a fixed asset. So we just need to create books. Again, books, to create books. Again, fixed assets under setup. Under the setup, we can able to see the books. Here we are creating new books. So new, click on new button. I'm creating current test. Current see here under a book, coming to the books, for a particular asset or a particular group of assets, we can able to create a multiple books according to the requirement, because company books, that might be a specific method or specific amount need to be there, and coming to be tax purpose, whether that might be central or state, that might be like federal tax. If US companies, they will follow federal and state tax. So according to the requirement, we are going to be selected, but we can able to give a permission for only one book, enabling post. See here, post to ledger. We are enabling only in this option to only one book, so that other books, they won't post the ledgers in their books. See, we have one example. We have only one asset. That assets have been tagged with the 3 books. One is a current unfixed current books, and another one is state tax purpose and central tax purpose. But the depreciation need to be shown in 3 books, but we don't want to be post ledger in our books. So at the time, we are going to be enabling this option for only one book. See, coming to be this point, here calculate, under general tab, we can able to see the description. Yes, calculate depreciation, yes, and depreciation profile. Now we are going to be tag the depreciation profile which we have created before, that is T test. We have created test profile. Yeah, this one. Yes, I have selected it. And alternative depreciation profile. No, if they are having any like alternative depreciation profile, they are going to be tagged here. But coming to be here, extraordinary depreciation profile. In this scenario, what I need to say about it is, like any extraordinary situation have been come, like short circuit have been happened, so that our machinery have been got damaged. At that time, we are going to be use here is a manual, so that it will applicable for a manual depreciation profile also. We can able to applicable manual depreciation profile. But I don't want to select here that if any round of value for a depreciation, we can able to select, but I don't want. So post ledger, yes. So create adjustment depreciation, yes. Yes, allow negative network, no, I don't want to. You see here, coming to be this, then posting layer, yes, current, it's under calendar, no, I don't want to select it. See here, this option is important to us. Leave at net book value to reach. Example, if we give 2000, when the asset value reached to 2000, it will stop posting depreciation. So for this purpose, we are going to be use this value. So I'll give 2000. After creating two more books, I will discuss about this derived books. Okay, then save. Current test I have given. Okay, new. State test, state tax, calculate tax. Oh no, tax, STATA, state tax. Yes, state tax. Coming to be here, calculate depreciation and depreciation profile. We are selecting a depreciation profile what we have created, that is a test profile, and then no, I don't want to post it, so automatically this posting layer will be none. And then save, then again new, central tax, okay, central tax. Yes, calculate depreciation and depreciation profile. We are created test one, so test profile. Sorry. Test profile. Again, I don't want to be posted, so current layer will be none. So again save it. These three we have created. This derived books I have told you, I'll discuss here. Here we are linking the books together. See, the book we have created is state. Purpose of it is whenever the transaction have been posted in this book, current book, that will be automatically appear into state tax books. State tax we have created. This state tax I have selected in acquisition for 1. State tax against state tax. Acquisition, I just want to change for acquisition adjustment. Okay, then you add new. Sales tax, state tax. Against state tax, I want to change it for a depreciation. Like this, I am going to be add another central tax what we have created. Central tax acquisition, okay, add central tax. depreciation, continue, acquisition adjustment, central tax. Acquisition adjustment I have selected. Then we have added this derived books. So then again save it.